Good afternoon. I'm Vikram Oza with the news. Chanda Kochhar, the CEO and MD of ICICI Bank, has reacted to the credit policy that was announced earlier today. Let's find out exactly what she has said.
Give us scope to increase credit as and when the demand comes back.
So chances are you all will increase the volume of credit but may not reduce the price?
See, I think the chances are that all of us would really see, how the credit growth picks up. My personal view is that in the second half of this year, credit growth is actually going to pick up for two reasons. On housing, actually the credit growth is going to pick up much earlier. And the rest of the growth is going to come from the infrastructure projects, where part of it would be sanctions, part of it would be disbursements. So you're right, this is the time more to look at growth in credit rather than just adjustment of interest rates.
Are you saying that the price of credit will not fall at all from here on?
I actually think interest rates would just remain stable for some time. May not really change for some time.
Ma'am, you mentioned infrastructure, ma'am, but what kind of a type of investment in the stock right now? And going forward, what does it look going forward?
No, actually the investments in pipeline are coming back. So till say July, August last year, the corporates had a lot of infrastructure investments planned. By September, October, they had put all the projects on back burner. But now, all those projects are coming back. Our estimate is that there is at least about 250,000 crores worth of projects that are being contemplated upon by the promoters to start their implementation and financial closures.
Ma'am, regarding many of the consumers here, the green shoot carry, do you say in green shoots or there's some other color?
Let's distinguish that between the global scenario and the Indian scenario, because the term green shoots kind of originated globally.
Right.
I'm not sure whether globally they are really as green as they are made out to be. But in India, the green shoots really appear to be green.
Madam, what was the governor's message?
ऐसा कहा जा रहा है कि सैलरी अकाउंट से डायरेक्टली आप
एक्चुअली नई बात नहीं है, इसमें सिर्फ ये है कि अगर किसी कस्टमर के ओवरड्यूज हो तो हम एम्प्लॉयर से बात करके उनके साथ एक अरेंजमेंट कर सकते हैं। ये हम डायरेक्ट या ऑटोमेटिक डेबिट की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम सिर्फ ये कह रहे हैं कि हम एम्प्लॉयर के साथ डायलॉग शुरू कर सकते हैं। और ये किसी बैंक के लिए, किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के लिए नई चीज़ नहीं है।
जो क्रेडिट पॉलिसी उसकी समीक्षा कैसे करें हिंदी में?
जो क्रेडिट पॉलिसी है, आई थिंक ये बहुत ही प्रैग्मेटिक और प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच है, क्योंकि करंट जो सिनारियो वो ये है कि लिक्विडिटी एक तरफ बहुत कंफर्टेबल है, लेकिन इकोनॉमी में रिवाइवल दिखाई दे रहा है। साथ में कुछ हमें वॉच करना है कि इन्फ्लेशन वगैरह किस तरह मूव होते हैं। तो इस टाइम पर ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि जो इक्विलिब्रियम और जो कंफर्ट लिक्विडिटी का करंट था उसे मेंटेन किया जाए, और नो चेंज के जरिए हम इस इक्विलिब्रियम
The MD and CEO of ICICI Bank, Chanda Kochhar, speaking to the media in response to the credit policy that was announced by the Central Bank of the country. She calls it pragmatic, and she's also said that she sees interest rates remaining stable going ahead. That's the word that's coming in. Lots of reactions coming in to the credit policy. We'll keep getting you those. Right now, Rahul and Surbhi are in the house for the countdown. Let's go across.